Welcome to this new lecture of natural language processing with Python. In this lecture, we will learn lemmatization, singularizing, and polarizing words. As we, as we saw in the previous video lecture, there is a problem with stemming. It often generates meaningless words after removing ing or other suffixes or prefixes. Lemmatization deals with such cases by using vocabulary and analyzing the word's morphologies. It returns the base forms of words that can be found in a dictionary. So it's mean no we stem or lemmatize a word with the help of a dictionary. Okay, we do an exercise performing lemmatization with the help of a dictionary. In this exercise, we will perform lemmatization on some text. Okay, follow these steps. Import NLTK library and WordNet Lemmatizer class from nltk.stem package and word tokenize method from NLTK and download some data about word underscore tokenize WordNet is library where we compare our stemming word with the words of this WordNet library and print is the algorithm for lemmatization. Sorry, word underscore tokenize. First, we take a variable sentence, variable name sentence, and inside this variable, we store a sentence, the sentence or some text, the products which is the products produced by the process today are far better than what it produces generally. So run the cell, first cell, check the sentence variable whether it stores this sentence. Okay, store. To lemmatize the tokens we extract from the sentence, first we create an object of WordNet Lemmatizer class and then we define a function get underscore lemmas and pass our text which we have stored in our variable, our previous variable sentence. Okay, then we tokenize each word of text and then we were using lemmatize method of WordNet Lemmatizer class to lemmatize the word and then join by using spaces to form a sentence and then call a function get underscore lemmas and pass our sentence variable, which means the text which is stored in the sentence variable. Okay, run this out and see the result. The product produced by the today are far better than what it produces generally. It means the products change into product. It means plural change into singular word and there is another. This produces into produce. Singularizing and polarizing words. In this exercise, we will make use of another famous or popular NLP library, text block library, which is built on the top of NLTK library to singularize and pluralize words in the given text. So then, first of all, import text block object from text block. Text block method from text block sentence. Take a variable sentence and in this sentence we store the sentence she sells seashells on the seashore and then we convert it into text block object. Print sentence and then print sentence dot words. Run the cell and see the output and then we discuss the output. Okay, first is same as it is this is, but the second sentence dot words means it's automatically convert the sentence into tokens and then store into in a list. Okay, this is the magic of text block library. To singularize the third word in the sentence, type the following code. Okay, define a function singularize and password which we are needed to convert into singular. Word dot call singularize method word dot singularize and singularize call the function singularize and pass the word which we want to convert into singularize. Okay. Okay, the word seashells is a plural word, but now it is a singular word. And similarly, we convert a plural word into singular word by using this function and run the cell and see the so sea seashores but in the original token it was sea or sorry seashore, but now it is seashores. So this is the concept of lemmatization, singularization, and polarization in natural language processing. So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture of the course Natural Language Processing with the Python.